Hey, check out this fun little cute tote. We're making this over on TikTok, but I decided that in addition to doing it over on TikTok, which is in a much more succinct and quick process, so I decided I'm going to do it in a longer form for those of you who A, don't use TikTok, or B, need it into be a longer form. So I'm doing it over here on YouTube. This is kind of getting out of sequence with what I'm going to be doing with talking about totes and purses and all that kind of stuff, which is coming up hopefully this weekend. That's the plan for that series to start. But I'm taking this a little out of sequence since this is something that I have already gotten started over on TikTok. So anyway, what you're going to need to make this is you're going to need a pack, a 5 inch square charm, what's called a charm pack. Charm packs typically have 42 5 inch squares already pre-cut. Now we're going to cut 40 of the 42 into the sizes that I'll show you here in just a second. In addition to this pack, and happens to be some cute Halloween fabric from Ruby Star Society. Um, and then you're going to need a fat quarter that coordinates with it. Now, for those of you who are not quilters yet, note the yet, um, a fat quarter is a half a yard cut across the width of the fabric and then cut along the fold line. And that's going to yield two pieces that are approximately 18 by 21 to 22 inches, depending on the width of the fabric. So, and now that is then called a fat quarter. So you'll need one of those, and that's going to be the accent, which I have here at the top, and it'll also be at the bottom on your tote. And then you're going to need a half yard, which is 18 inches of the full width of the fabric that is going to be your lining. In addition to the fabric, you'll need some batting, whether it's a foam batting or a typical cotton or polyester batting, whichever is your preference or whichever you may have. And you'll also need some webbing to make your straps. That's going to be it. Now, with this, we have a lot of 45-degree angles, but there's not a single bias cut. And that's going to be on the video that I will be posting probably tomorrow, showing you how to start getting this assembled. So check out how you cut and decide if this is maybe something you want to try making. All right, so we're ready to start cutting these 5 inch squares. And as I mentioned, most of the charm packs hold 42 squares. So you're going to need to take two out. Now I chose to take out two of them that match my accent fabric. But you could just randomly pick two or cut them all up and at the end discard which pieces you don't want. So first off, you're going to take your 5 inch square and you're going to cut it into two 2.5 inch by 5 inch rectangles. One of the rectangles you're going to then cut into two 2.5 inch squares. The other rectangle you're going to cut off a bit at the end so that a half inch at the end, so that this is a 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle. This little guy you can just get rid of. So you're going to end up at the end with 40 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles and 80 of these 2.5 inch squares. Now I'm going to keep these 2.5 inch squares into pairs because we're going to use them as pairs. These guys obviously are going to stay singles. But that's what you need to do with all 40 of these squares. The rest of this stuff, we're going to cut that later. But right now, go ahead and get started with cutting all your squares. Tomorrow I'll be posting the next video showing you what we're going to do with these squares and rectangles. So hopefully you're going to join along and make this cute little tote with us. And within the next couple days, I'm going to be starting an entire series on making bags. Um, so I'm just kind of jumping the gun a little bit with this one because I got it started over on TikTok, and I know some people are going to want this in the long form. So anyway, hopefully you're joining us. Thanks a bunch.